Hello, my name is Oliver. Are you dealing with large data amounts and complex systems? I would like to show you our tool OMrun. Grab a coffee, have a seat, and please join.
OMrun Scenario. A scenario holds and lists its defined objects for execution in the chosen order. An executed scenario shows a scenario result. Each row of the scenario represents a test object which can be modified, and it will produce one object result for each execution. What is the content of a scenario? We see here a scenario called Test Scenario 1 with 3 objects or 3 rows. The first column holds the ID of each row. Then we see the 3 columns type means object type, test object means test object name, and parameter list means parameter list name. The second last column contains the remark string, which is a free text field. In the last column, active, appears a checkbox which represents the activation status of each row. How to add a new row? The first empty row of a scenario grid represents the edit line. Choose a type, select a test object, leave the parameter list entry as it is, and set any remarked text. Click somewhere on the grid below to save all entries of the new row added. How to execute a scenario? With the execution of a scenario by button execute, its result will be produced and shown at the result area below. The result is actually a copy of the scenario list extended by 3 timing detail columns and the columns passed and failed. The added object row from the example before has been executed successfully, and it is visible here on the last position of the grid.
Thanks for watching. There are much more tutorials to check out. Happy comparing and see you next time.